Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hi, I am Dr. Sanjeev P. Sahni. Today we will be talking about interview anxiety and ways to deal with it. In today's fiercely competitive world, interview-related stress is very common phenomena which is experienced by many of us. This experience has rather exacerbated during the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Stress is an unavoidable consequence as we face a number of challenges that act as potential stressors. The process of job application and employment interview might come across as intimidating for beginners, given to its competitive nature, which evokes heightened feelings of anxiety. People vary in their outlook on life. One may view a challenging situation as an opportunity, whereas others may view it as a threat. The appraisal can have psychological and physiological consequences. Having said that, high levels of anxiety or discomfort during an employment interview may result in abysmally low scores, in spite of the fact that the qualified prospective candidate may perform extremely well if employed. This is particularly true for prospective employees, and this negatively impacts their interview-related performance. Despite this, the prospective candidate may demonstrate superior skills if hired. Nevertheless, it is valuable to consider a handy checklist before the interview to combat anxiety. If I were to say a few, they would be: having a holistic understanding about the company's policies, aims, goals, agendas, and its significant contributors. Be prepared with your cover letter, CV, letter of recommendation, certificates. Getting an expert advice, booking an appointment with your university's career and guidance team, mock preparations, sample interview questions, boost or uplift your mood, self-instruction and self-encouragement. For example, you can do this. Inculcating a vision and a sense of positive imagery. Eating a healthy breakfast elevates productivity, essential brain food needed before the interview. Try reminding yourself, the employer really liked my profile, and that is why today I am a shortlisted applicant. Know your worth. Being open to different job opportunities and what comes your way. Important takeaway lessons during the preparation of an interview. Lastly, to reduce the applicant interview anxiety, schools and universities should implement tailor-made training programs that specifically aim at combating job interview anxiety. Moreover, coping strategies like engaging in relaxation techniques and mindfulness cultivates calmness, and improving interviewing skills like verbal and non-verbal communication, do's and don'ts, go a long way. I tell you, staying calm in a pressurized environment is a tactic which is learned with experience. So, never think an interview is a threat. This experience will teach you a lot. That's all for today. Thank you for watching JIPS Infotainment. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.